Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, can't type in Windows search bar of Windows 11, 10 fix new updated. First method is right click Start button, click Task Manager. Right-click Windows Explorer, click Restart. Second method is Open File Explorer, open Windows folder, open System32 folder. Search with ctfmon.exe. Right-click ctfmon.exe, click Show More Options, Send to Desktop Create Shortcut. Right-click Start button, click Run, type shell command common startup. Move shortcut to Startup folder. Restart system. Third method is right-click Start button, click Terminal Admin. Type sfc /scanno. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.